It's snowing! It's a winter wonderland! But man, shoveling is sure a chore. And if I can even get to the snowblower with this frozen lock, the darn thing never wants to start right. There must be a better way. Wow, look at this beautiful job of snow clearing that the flame tank did. And this only took 30 minutes to get all of this fantastic action. It would have taken me almost 10 minutes with a shovel, and clearly this is a very efficient and effective machine. So it isn't actually very effective at all. All I did was stick a weed burner on the front, pipe it back through here, and then I've got my little carry-on trailer for the tank, since this tank does not fit in the tank. Yo dog, I heard you like tanks. I could think of better ways to do this, but I couldn't think of funnier ways, so that's just gonna live on a trailer. I kept the paintball gun in case we run into like Yetis or something. We've overclocked the motor again, so we're running on 24 volts on these motors instead of the 12 volts. That way it only goes painfully slow instead of just abysmally slow. Now you might notice I ditched the electronic ignition. That weird Mall Ninja stun gun didn't work at all with the gimmicky CR123As. It barely worked on wall power, and it worked terrifyingly well when hooked up to the 12-volt car battery. And that stun gun would probably kill me if the electricity leaked. So we've ripped all that out, we've thrown that thing away, and we've gone back to just manual ignition with a torch here, which, you know, still has the potential to blow up if I do this completely wrong, so I recommend nobody try this at home. In fact, I recommend that I don't try this at home. We're going to take the torch out of here and go back to using this as a potato gun tank. But hey, that's what we're all about here at the Save It for Parts channel. Coming up with solutions that are way, way more dangerous than the actual problem. This one was kind of a viewer suggestion, so thank you, I think, to Matt for giving me the idea for this. We're probably not going to go any further with it because it's completely impractical, but it was fun for a couple hours. Check out my other videos for the build process on this tank, for shooting potatoes out of it, and then stay tuned. We're going to do some other stuff with this tank, hopefully a little more practical, possibly less dangerous, but you never know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.